Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Koree the Traveler, and today I just want to take you guys along. I have different activities that I need to do. Most people they call it tiles, yeah, whichever way. It depends with your teacher, your English teacher. Yeah, so I'm going to change my car tires today, and also I might do a few things while in town. So I wanted to bring you guys along and let us see how this day it goes today. Yeah, so come along.
I want someone like you to stand by me always, and I dream of a man like you, warm and tender every single day. What if we would join our forces? What a bliss. You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest.
I need to change the car tires today. They really look so worn out. And another thing that I need to do is to take the car to the car wash. It looks so dirty. So let's go.
Gossip about our delight. What if we would join our forces? What a bliss.
Subscribe to Koree the Traveler on YouTube channel.
In a whole different way, you make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest.
Yeah, so right now I'm in town. I just left my car at the car wash and I'm heading to have my hair done. It has been not it doesn't look so good, so I'm just going to see my hairdresser, yeah, to have my hair done. So I think I'll also take some of the footage there for you guys, yeah. So get
In a
ready.
whole different way, you make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest. You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest.
So this is the building where I usually go to make my hair. It's called Quinton Mall. I know for some of my viewers, they were asking where do you always make your hair. So it's in this building.
Shitty car, but we hit the road. Doesn't matter where we go and destination unknown. I don't care where the motor stops, cause when I want it, then I want it, yeah, I want it, oh, I want it.
Yeah, so this is the place. It's called the Rundo. Mambo. Ayuko? Oh. Mambo. Yeah, so this is the main guy. Yeah, his name is Ruben.
I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby.
we are here at Kale, but it's based in town, and yeah, we've come to change the tires.
When you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you